All right, now we're doing 8Q object-oriented piracy. This is by the Ocean, and 86% of the people like it. Ahoy, matey. All right, so we're the boss of a pirate crew, and we're trying to find out if we want to rob a ship or not. All right, so the draft is an estimate of the ship's weight based on how low it is in the water, and the crew is the amount of crew on board. So somehow we know the amount of crew on board the ships we're about to consider robbing. So each crew member adds 1.5 units to the ship draft, and after removing the weight of the crew, if the draft is still more than 20, then it's worth taking down. It must have a lot of booty. So basically we're just going to be making like a method so we can like say Titanic dot is worth it, because we made it Titanic right here with var Titanic equals new ship blah blah blah. Is the Titanic worth it? False, because it's got 15 what was it, draft, and then 10 crew members. So 10 times 1.5 is 15. So 15 minus 15 is way under 20, you know? Anyway, so that being said, let's get to it. All right. So right here, we're going to be doing what is it? We're going to be doing the thing to where we make the what are these things called? Methods. So we're going to say ship dot prototype dot what is this we're doing? Is worth it. Okay, cool. Dot is worth it. All right, and this needs to equal function, and this is how we set up for making this particular method. So we're going to say return, and then we're going to use this dot draft minus, and then we're going to say this dot crew times 1.5, and all that needs to be greater than 20. All right, and let's test it out. And there we go, it works. So basically, let's say we create a new ship. Let's let yacht equal new ship, and the ship is going to have a draft of 100 and a crew of 10. Okay, now we're going to say down here console.log, and we're going to say yacht dot is worth it, like that, and push test, and it says true, it is worth it. It's just like whenever we do like dot slice dot whatever, we just made our own prototype using this. And I mean, you can go on Mozilla and figure out all there's so much on prototypes and making methods and stuff that it's if you want to read it, it's there. So basically that's it. We can even knock this down to 35, test it out. No, it's false. Why? Because 10 plus what is it, 35 minus 10 times 1.5 would be 20 on the dot. So let's put 36 right here, and true, and that ship's worth getting. So let's attempt it and submit it, and basically that's it. You see here pretty much the same thing. Right here, pretty much the same thing. You keep going down, it's pretty much the same thing everywhere you go. Pretty much everywhere you go. Here's an actual if statement instead of doing it in this line style, but whatever. But yeah, anyway, let's go to mine. Just me on this one, best practice in my opinion. Very much like it, and we'll see you next time.